I'm Netra Shirke, and I wish all the women who are watching this program a very happy International Women's Day. I am the chairperson of the Swachhata Mission Committee of the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation, and this is my third term as a corporator of the corporation.
Ma'am, I would like to ask you some questions. First question is, can you tell us about the journey from standing committee chairman to getting an award for cleanliness?
Yes, so in my third term, in the year 2015, I was elected as the first lady standing committee chairperson of the Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation. I think this was a very big achievement as far as women are concerned, because the standing committee looks after the financial aspects of the corporation, and in the 21 years of the NMMC history, not a single lady had ever been in charge of this committee. And thanks to my leader, Ganesh Ji Naik Sahab, he had full faith in me, and he trusted me to take up this responsibility. And it was a very wonderful year of learning for me, one whole year of how to work with the budgets, how to make sure that all the work that we plan for the city is implemented, how to have the funds allocated to various projects, and how to ensure that each and every part of the city gets a chance to be in the development process. So it was very different experience, but I learned a lot. I learned how to interact with all the officials, how to get the work done from them, how to interact and get the work done for all the corporators who have been elected, and also to ensure that whatever development that we had planned for the city, whatever is the vision of Shri Ganesh Ji Naik, it is implemented.
Ma'am, the next question is, what are your future plans for making Navi Mumbai more cleaner and greener and taking the rank to next level?
Yeah, so now as you all know, Navi Mumbai has been awarded as the 7th cleanest city of the country. So almost 4,237 cities had participated in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2019, and we are 7th in the whole country. I think this is a very big achievement for our city. Last year we were ranked 9th, and so this year we are taken it as a challenge, and we are very proud that we could move up 2 ranks and we are now 7th. We are the first in Maharashtra. We've also got the Best City Award for the participation of the citizens in the whole Swachhata Abhiyan process. I think that is our biggest achievement. To keep a city clean, to ensure that the city is clean throughout the year. It is not just the elected representatives or the officers who are only responsible. I always tell that the cleanliness can be achieved, the entire aspect of the Swachhata Abhiyan is only when people participate. So, and that is what has happened in our city. People have participated enthusiastically in the whole process. We have achieved more than 80% segregation of dry and wet waste. We have ensured that most of the community bins which were creating a lot of mess on the roads are removed, and people are giving their garbage every day regularly to our garbage collection people, and we are also ensuring that the wet waste is converted into compost. We are recycling our plastic. We are also trying to ensure that we reduce the use of plastic in the city. So I think on various levels we have actually improved. What we are now working on is the debris that is collected because of renovation works everywhere. That has to be treated properly, and so the CND waste treatment plant is what we are setting up next. We are also planning to increase our cleanliness aspect more in the Jhopadpatti and the Gaothan areas, because we realize that though the node areas are quite cleaner than what you can see in any other cities, but we still need to work more on the Gaothan areas. We also plan to ensure that our city is everywhere. We have some community bins which are underground bins, and those bins will be kept in such a way that the city looks clean, but as well as the aspect of the cleanliness is taken care of. We also wish to ensure that our gardens, the playgrounds, our schools, our colleges and our hospitals, everything is as clean as possible and as hygienic as possible. So I think on various aspects we are working, but yes, we are not yet satisfied with the 7th position that we have. We would really like to get into the first 3, and I'm sure Navi Mumbai has the capability to do that.
Ma'am, last but not the least, what would you like to say to the women viewers? Today's International Women's Day.
Yeah, it is. It is not just this day that we celebrate. I'm sure all of us know that for us every day is a challenge. Education has opened up a lot of opportunities for us. We see that we can choose any field of our choice and try and excel there. I will tell everyone who's watching this, all the women, that the first and most important thing is you should be confident about yourself. You should know how to assert yourself. You should be very clear about what your ideals are, what your goals are, and if you are very clear about that, nothing should be able to stop you. So that confidence that you build in yourself, how you look at the world, and how you make an impression on the world is very important. And it's not just about becoming successful in the profession of your choice. It is also more about being a good human being. We as women are very emotional, and we give in to a lot of things many times, you know. So I think we should also learn to say no sometimes, and that is also very important. I wish all of you a lot of success in whatever you are doing. I also wish you a lot of happiness, because unless and until you are happy, I don't think we can keep the society or our family happy. So look for your happiness, look for what you want, and achieve your dreams.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving precious time to us.
Thank you so much.